Hello, 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 everyone. This is Anna, and this is my toy that I was telling everybody about. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my HTVRont auto heat press. So I've already opened the box so far. So let's get started. First thing I've got was the manual, and here is the Teflon sheet, and it's a lot of foam in here. Hope I can get it out without making a mess. Just throw it over here. And I might have to take the box down. With it in the box, guys, it's heavy. So, I'm going to be right back until I can get it out of this box. I don't want to make this a long video, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got it out of the big box. Let's see if I can get the rest of the foam off. I am so excited. I am so very excited. Okay. I gotta turn it around. They had it packaged very well. Okay. Gotta turn it around some more. Okay. Whew. All right. Okay, guys. Here is the auto press from HTVRont. I will be back and we will hook it up and do some experiments. Okay, bye. I'm almost out of breath, guys. This machine is kind of heavy for me. All right, guys, bye.